Hello, sewing people. I'm so excited to be here with you this beautiful Friday afternoon. Please say hi. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what you're working on. Let me see if my comments will work today because they have been failing me pretty heartily. I am so excited to be with y'all today. I have some beautiful new fabrics to share with you that will be going live here in the next half hour or so. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Stephanie. Oh, I'm so glad everything's working today. It's going to be a good day. I'm so excited. I have 6 beautiful fabrics to share with you today. And you know what? Do I have? I feel like I might have a bonus fabric I want to show you. I might. Hi, Danita. Is it Danita? Am I saying that right? That's what I say in my head. Please look at the mess behind me for a minute while I see if I have the fabric I wanted to show you. I don't. I don't think I have it. I don't know what I did with it, but I don't have it. Well, I have 6 beautiful fabrics to share with you today that I am ridiculously excited about. And then I will tell you that last week we launched our Tricot in 4 colorways, which is a nylon spandex blend. It's perfect for athletic wear, shapewear, bras, swim lining, all kinds of things. And we just got it in 4 really basic colors. So go ahead and check that out because I'm super excited to have that there. It's really high quality. It's wonderful. I love it. Oh, excellent. Hi everyone. I'm so excited y'all are here. I cannot wait to get started. Don't forget that every comment enters you to win this week's reveal booty. So you'll get 6 one-yard cuts of these beautiful fabrics. And I will announce that next week. So you have all week to comment and we will pay for shipping in the US. If you're outside the US, you can still win. You just have to cover shipping. Oh, Stephanie, that's wonderful to hear. I will keep an eye out, okay? I'll keep an eye out. We'll see what we can do for you for white. So do you want me to just get started? I want to just get started. So let's get started. So I'm super excited because we're adding 2 new fabric types this week. Well, I guess technically one of them maybe released last week, but I've got more Pointel for you. I have this beautiful aqua rib Pointel knit. So it's this beautiful aqua floral, and I'm going to come a little closer. You can really see how beautiful and springy these flowers are. Um, I'm so excited. Carol, welcome to your first one. I don't talk super long, but you can come back and watch later if you need to. No big deal. It'll be in the group all week. So this is an 86 poly, 9% rayon, 5% spandex blend. So it's just beautiful. It's really drapey, but it's got some really great structure to it, which I really love. It's 190 GSM, so it's perfect. It's that perfect weight, just like our double brush poly is. It has 40% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical stretch, and it's so cute. It's so cute. And then I have one coordinate for you. Just white is the only coordinate I have for you, but white just looks so lovely with it. I love it. So this is our Aqua Floral Pointel Rib Knit. And I love it. I can't wait to see what all of you make out of this. I'm going to hold it up again so y'all can really see just how beautiful it is. I'm obsessed with it. So that is our Aqua Floral Pointel Rib Knit. And I'm ready for spring, so I'm super excited about that. But I know that spring and bright colors are not for everyone. So we were also able to get some Pointel rib knit in camo, which I'm a little bit obsessed with. It kind of feels like a really lightweight waffle knit. It's almost like a thermal, but it's Pointel. It's Pointel rib, but that's kind of what it feels like if you've never touched Pointel. So this is our camo. This is an 86.9 5 poly rayon spandex, just like the first one, and 190 GSM. It also has 40% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical. And I have a couple of coordinates for this one, so let me get my hair out of the way. So black is going to look quite lovely with this, obviously. Thank you. We also have olive, Oh, that looks so beautiful. And sage for a lighter match. So those are my coordinates for this camo Pointel rib knit. Um, Completely obsessed. I really love it. It's a beautiful dark camo. Really great print. The fabric is so soft. I can't wait for all of you to touch this fabric because it's wonderful. I quite like it. So that is camo Pointel rib knit. And if I'm saying Pointel wrong, you just tell me. That's not one I think I've heard said out loud. So I'm just doing my best. So next up, I've got another floral for you. These made me so happy. So this is another Pointel Ribnet navy floral. So I'm going to come nice and close actually to the camera so you can really see the color variation here. I love, love, love all the beautiful little colors in the middle of these florals? Flowers is the word I was looking for. Um, so this is that same poly rayon spandex blend. It's also 190 GSM. It only has 30% horizontal stretch, but it does have 20% for vertical. So it's a little bit different than the other two, even with the same fabric contents. So let me get this on here. And then I have 4 coordinates with this. There's white in the middle of those flowers. I'm going to stand back a little bit so you can see a little bit better. And then magenta in the middle of those flowers as well. And pastel pink. Oh, that's reading a little purple on my screen. Hopefully it's coming through correctly for you. And orchid is also in the middle of those flowers. So what I'm actually going to do is hold this up much closer to the screen so you can really see those beautiful colors in the middle there. It just looks so beautiful. I love these little flowers. They're very sweet. I really love this. It has just a little bit of purple in the very middle of the flower. So I'm gonna hold it nice and close so you can really see those purples come through. Yeah, there we go. Just a little bit of purple right in the blend of all of those beautiful pinks and white. So it's quite beautiful. Again, it's very soft. I'm completely in love with it. I'm talking way too fast because I'm so excited. So I'm going to slow down and see if you all have any questions at all. Putting that in the wrong spot. I'm so excited. What types of patterns? I would go for shirts. If you're looking for some spring sweaters or some t-shirts, cardigans would be lovely. There's just about anything you'd make out of double brush poly would be okay. You could go for dresses and skirts. I probably wouldn't make leggings, but joggers would probably be very comfortable. It's quite versatile. It's quite versatile. So I'm excited to see what y'all make out of it. Um, I have I have a completely different fabric now. I have a wonderful ribbed sweater knit for you. This is going to be perfect for spring sweaters. So I hope y'all are ready for your spring sewing. Um, this is Aqua Star, which is just beautiful. I'm loving aqua for spring this year. It's one of my favorite colors all year round, but particularly for spring this year, it's really bringing me a lot of happiness. The weight on those first 3, the Pointel rib knits, was all 190 GSM. Um, I lost where I was. So this is a poly spandex blend. It is 13% spandex though, so the recovery on that is going to be a little bit better than some with lower spandex recoveries. So this is 180 GSM. It does have 40% horizontal stretch and 30% vertical stretch. So it's a beautiful, lovely, versatile fabric. I'm going to show it to you nice and close. And then I have just one coordinate. I'm sure you can guess what it is. But it's white. The white looks just beautiful with that. I'm very excited. I definitely need to make a sweater out of this. I think a beautiful sweater, maybe with white bands, to make it pop. White bands and a neckband. Be really pretty. So lots of white coordinates today. Usually we have quite a bit of the ivory, but today I'm all about the white. I'm all about the white coordinates, which is gonna go really well with my red lipstick, which I'll get on everything always. Um, So I'm talking way too fast. I'm super excited about this next fabric, and I've just realized I didn't grab my quick info sheet about it because it's a new fabric for us. So bear with me while I ramble and talk at the same time because I know I've got a quick doc right here. I know I've got it. So I'm so excited to have brought you guys this beautiful honeycomb knit. So this is our honeycomb knit. Oh, my internet's being a little slow. I'm so sorry if I'm a little blurry or laggy. I'll talk a little slower than usual because I'm seeing that I've got some pretty bad internet at the moment. I'm so very sorry. We've had some pretty bad storms roll through, and our internet is always pretty terrible after storms come through. So hopefully it's evening out. It looks like it on my end. So, oh, thank you, Sequoia. You're so sweet. This is honeycomb knit. So let me tell you just a little bit about honeycomb knit in general. It is super popular for dance, athletic, and performance wear. It is machine washable. You're going to want to dry it on low or lay flat to dry. It's so on trend right now. If you are looking for that TikTok trend for the booty leggings, this is going to be your fabric. So it's really cool because they use the knitting process to actually make that texture to it. So it's actually a texture on the fabric. It's not printed. It's a texture, which is really cool. And it's very elastic. This has, let me just verify before I say it out loud, 9% spandex. So it's got really great stretch and recovery. And it's also moisture wicking. So it's really great for yoga pants, workout apparel, leggings, tops, hoodies, sweaters, dresses, pretty much anything you'd really like to make, which is awesome. So this is our tropical blue. And I use this to make some Lily leggings from Rebecca Page. And so I have to tell you, they will not pass the squat test in a public gym. They do go just a little bit less opaque at the center over the booty when super stretched. But they do work for regular leggings that are not necessarily like I'm going hard at the gym leggings. And it's also really great for all of your other athletic needs. I just wouldn't necessarily make that super stretched legging and want to wear it to the gym and want to work really hard and do lots of squats with other people present. It was very subtle in my leggings, very subtle. You really couldn't tell unless you were all up in my business, because I wanted to make sure that I was giving y'all accurate information on the usability of it. But it's so comfortable. I wore them all day yesterday and was super happy with it. It is 260 GSM, and it's got 50% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical stretch. And it's so comfortable. I want to make a sports bra out of it next. And then also a shirt and a zip up and a cute tank top, all the things. So you'll see pics of my leggings in the email that goes out tomorrow. That goes out tomorrow. So you can see the beautiful leggings that I made out of this tropical blue honeycomb knit. But if blue is not your cup of tea, we did also grab this in Jupiter, this beautiful orange Jupiter. I am obsessed with this color. It is not quite a match to our, oh, we have an orange that I don't remember the name of. We have a double brush poly that's kind of similar in tone. It's not quite a match. This one reads just a little bit more vintage in color than the, I really thought it would just pop in my head when I said that, than that double brush poly. But I am obsessed with this. It's so beautiful. It's so soft and comfortable. So the stats on this are also 9% spandex, 91 poly. And even though this is poly, I did not struggle with hot yesterday. I wore them all day doing all of my regular things. Living my life as I do. I feel like I left the house maybe yesterday. I did. I left the house yesterday. So I did all kinds of things and I never got too hot, even though it was really muggy here in Atlanta because that storm was coming in. So it's poly spandex, but I did not get too warm in it. So I think it might be the cool weaving of the knit. It is 260 GSM, and it also has 50% horizontal and 40% vertical stretch. So I love them both. The only reason I didn't make leggings out of this is I was worried it would look like naked leggings, because it's a little similar to my skin tones. I have lots of oranges and peaches in my skin tone. So I definitely want to make a workout tank out of this, because that will be less awkward if people see me with a shirt and somewhat skin colored bottoms. But both of these colors are just stunning. I love them so much. I'm so excited to see what y'all think of it. And I can't wait to see what y'all make up out of them. So does anyone have any questions? Yeah, I can put the two together. Yeah, let me grab these back off of the chair. I kept them handy because I was wondering if anyone would ask. So the blue is definitely, let me get the front of the fabric. The blue is definitely a brighter tone than the Jupiter. But let me grab them and hold them up here next to each other for you. So you can see that blue really pops next to the Jupiter, but they're just both beautiful colors. I love them both. I'm very happy with them. I want to make all the things, all the things. Always better to look topless than bottomless. I think it's a little bit more subtle and a little bit more obvious that I'm wearing something and not just wearing a t-shirt. So are you all excited to make up some of your favorite things in our new Pointels and our new Honeycomb knits? I know I am. I'm so pumped to get some fabric on my cutting table and go to town. Yeah, exactly. I don't want to be that lady, Victoria. That's my sister, y'all. I almost called her Vicky because that's what I call her. But she's Victoria. She's all professional. So, do y'all have any questions? Do you need anything from me? I have a winner for last week. If someone wants to know who won last week's prize, that's going to be Stephanie Brown. I'm going to assume that I said that name correctly. If I did not, I do apologize. But congratulations, Stephanie Brown. If you will please email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com, we will go ahead and get that prize arranged to ship out to you. And every comment this week will enter you to win this week's reveal booty. So that's going to be 6 1-yard cuts of all of these fabrics, which is just exciting. It's going to be, it's a good booty this week. It's a really good booty this week. And I'm going to be back with y'all next week. I'm happy you don't have any questions because y'all are clearly very smart and don't need me for anything. But I'm sad because I'm running out of things to ramble about. Taxes are terrible and sewing is way better. So I'm with you on that. So congratulations, Stephanie. Ah, Sequoia, you got it. I love it. That's wonderful. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. It's always one of my favorite parts of the week is just chatting at you and seeing what you think. Those fabrics will be live here in the next couple of minutes. Sarah's going to get started on that right now. So go ahead and check out the new arrival section on the website, and they will all be there for you. And there'll be a reminder email tomorrow. So if you forget today because you've got to go back to work and be responsible, we'll remind you that they're there tomorrow and tempt you once more. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll chat with y'all next week. Bye.